Hey everyone, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your feet. Whether you're training for your next marathon or your job requires you to stand all day, as the body parts supporting everything above, your feet and ankles become stiff, sore, and can carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener or the cone for the feet, depending on your need. The cone is really great for application on all of the small bones and muscles of the foot, but you can use whichever one you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize the usage for our own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding down the power button, then set the treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now determine which grip will feel the most natural for you to use while you're treating your feet. I recommend the reverse grip because it feels the most natural for this application while seated. Step 3, now for the fun part, using your Theragun. You can use your Theragun both over the shoes or directly on your feet. Applying the Theragun over the shoe provides a more broad percussive effect, which can be energizing. For this, I recommend the dampener. Move the Theragun along the entire length of the foot, right over the shoe at a moderate pace for 30 seconds, then apply it to your other foot. When applying the Theragun directly to the foot, use the cone, which provides a deeper, more targeted treatment. To relax the muscle, move the Theragun slowly around the entire length of the foot for 2 minutes maximum, then repeat on your other foot. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.